This sucks! Fucking sucks ass, guys. You guys see that fucking scratch that my fucking cat did? Scarface and shit. Oh boy, this is fucking boring. Guys, I know you're bored of this video because I'm bored of doing this shit, but it's still not letting up at all. I mean, it's just fucking ridiculous, sons. It's now 10 o'clock. Been here 3 hours. You've been here 3 hours, and fucking snow just keep coming. Hey, motherfuckers. I should have brought Jackie with me, huh, guys? I'd be like, hey, motherfuckers. I never see fucking snow like this before. Even in the fucking China Mountain. Never see fucking white fluffy stuff like this. Fuck you. It is now 12:43 and still no signs of letting up. This is fucking ridiculous. I am so tired. I'm on like 2 hours of sleep right now. This is fucking fun, let me tell you though. Look at this shit. Motherfucker, dude. Ooh. It's fucking bullshit, let me tell you guys. Fun times here. I guess I'll check back with you guys in a couple hours when I'm still fucking here. So, if you guys are wondering why I ain't answering comments and shit right now, because of this shit. I am so tired. Look at my mess. Oh boy. Alright guys, I know you're sick of me and shit. Yeah, it's 1:26 afternoon, 1:27. Been here since 6 o'clock this morning. Looks like the snow's finally tapering off. It's slowing down a lot. I mean, it's still fucking snowing, but you know, no customizing today. No make a toys today. I'm not gonna be an elf. But you know, this is what I'm doing. Trying to make some fucking money. You know, been out of work for a while. This is considered work. But boring shit. Plowing snow is fun. Wow, it finally almost stopped snowing. Yay! 2 o'clock. Fucking almost done, boys. You can finally see pavement, you know? It's fucking... You know, I wish there was more action, but it's kind of hard to hold the camera and plow at the same time. It would have, you know... I don't know. So I'm going to be going home. I'm going to sleep. And then I'm going to eat. And then I'll probably be starting a new custom figure. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna start that Chucky, burnt Chucky. It's One's Customs and Mike Echo, the Customizer collaboration, dude. You guys is fucking, oh my god, it's gonna be awesome. But yeah, fucking, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. But yeah, fun times, guys. It's pretty much all fucking clean. You know, you guys can actually see now. Yeah, shit. Yeah. Fun times. Almost out of here. Oh my god, 3 in the afternoon. Just doing final cleanup. But fucking time. Oh my god. Follow this idiot in the fucking black Ford. He's a fucking moron. I have no idea what this guy's doing, but he told me he's like I think he's Irish. Follow me. Why don't you follow me down here, lad? Would you like it if me help ya? I don't know, this fucking place is fucking crazy though, man. It's like fucking Call of Duty fucking 4 Modern Warfare and shit, looks like.